In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account. Head over to github.com, enter your credentials, and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, it's really easy to set one up. Just follow the prompts on the homepage, and you'll be ready in no time. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new repository. This is where your PDF file will be stored. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. You'll see an option that says New Repository. Go ahead and click that. Now it's time to give your repository a name. Let's say you want to call it PDF Storage, so it's clear what it contains. Make sure to set the repository to public if you want it to be accessible to everyone. If you prefer it to be private, select that option instead. Once you've filled in the necessary details, don't forget to click the Create Repository button to finalize this step. Great, you've just created a repository. Now let's move on to uploading your PDF file. On your newly created repository page, you'll notice a link that says Uploading an Existing File. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Upload interface. Now it's time to choose your PDF file. There's a button that says Choose Your Files. Clicking on this will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Simply navigate to the location of the PDF file you want to upload, select it, and then click Open. After you select the PDF, you'll see it begin to upload on the screen. You'll know it's done when it stops loading, and you can see the file name listed. Just give it a moment to ensure the upload is complete. Once your PDF file has been successfully uploaded, it's important to commit the changes to save it in your repository. Scroll down to the bottom of the upload page, and you'll see a button labeled Commit Changes. Click on that. This action finalizes the upload and makes sure that your PDF is now stored in your repository and accessible to anyone who visits it. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF file to GitHub. It's a simple process, yet incredibly valuable for sharing documents and collaborating on projects with others. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for joining me today.